Voters in Spartanburg County will have the chance to decide on a continuation of the penny sales tax. County council members voted to put the question on the November ballot.
Our Taggart Houck has more on the potential renewal and what the money would go towards.
The original penny sales tax, which is still in effect, has been used on a number of projects around Spartanburg County, including right here behind me on what is soon to become Spartanburg County's new courthouse. If there is a renewal that's approved, it would be used to improve roads. Back in 2017, Spartanburg County voters approved a penny sales tax. It raised more than $220 million and it's set to expire in April. Along the way, it funded the county's new courthouse and what will eventually be a joint county-city administrative complex, among other projects.
Of that $226 million, 35% of that was paid for by people outside of Spartanburg. People are visiting here.
And it's been brought to council's attention that there's a roughly $500 million backlog for road improvements.
We looked at every option in this world to try to generate the $478 million. And that penny sales tax is the most effective tool that we have in our toolbox to solve the $478 million problem we have with roads in Spartanburg County.
Council has added a renewal to the ballot, asking voters to decide whether they want to continue the tax for another 6 years. If approved, it would begin on May 1st and would not apply to groceries or prescriptions.
In that 6 years, those roads will be improved, both county roads, city roads, municipal roads of the 14 municipalities we have in the county, as well as some major state roads,
including Highway 29 and Reedville Road.
That's a road that everybody travels on almost at some point every day, as well as Reedville Road. There's thousands of people that are using Reedville Road, and those are roads that will be improved, as well as all these local roads.
The option to renew the penny sales tax will be on the ballot in November. In Spartanburg, Taggart Houck, WYFF News 4.